Get ready for the future. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is here, packed with groundbreaking Galaxy AI. Experience enhanced multitasking, intuitive camera features, and seamless integration with Gemini, redefining what a foldable can do. Galaxy Z Fold 7. Galaxy L. 2. Advanced Armor Aluminum. Thinner in form, stronger and more durable. Built strong with Armor Flex Hinge. Armor Flex Hinge closes thinner while protecting. Tough from front and back. Corning registered trademark symbol, Gorilla registered trademark symbol, glass ceramic to glass applied for resilience. 3. Ultra unfolds. Whether folded or unfolded, Galaxy Z Fold 7 exceeds your expectations of a smartphone. With a newly expanded 21:9 cover screen and even sleeker form, it's easier to hold and type on than ever, so you can get things done comfortably. And with the main screen clocking in 8 across, it's the most expansive screen on Galaxy smartphones. 12.3. 4. Slimness comparison. Slimness comparison. Galaxy Z Fold 7. Folded 8.9 mm. Galaxy Z Fold 6. Folded 12.1 mm. 5. 10 MP telephoto 3x optical zoom, 200 MP wide 2x optical quality zoom, 12 MP ultra wide, 10 MP cover screen, 10 MP main screen. 6. Ultra detailed, ultra clear photos. Capture super stunning, high-resolution shots with our powerful 200 MP camera that's perfectly paired with ProVisual Engine. 8. 7. Bring details out of the dark. Capture breathtaking videos even in low light. The high-resolution sensor works with our advanced ProVisual Engine built into the AP to deliver richer contrast day or night. Noise is also reduced so your shots stay sharp in the dark without the need to edit later on. 8. Wider angle for Tepic group selfies. 10. Fit more into your selfies with our improved and upgraded 10 MP main screen camera. Capture more vivid and well-defined dynamic images with our sharper sensor. The expanded viewing angle allows you to include more people and their surroundings into the frame. 1. 9. Preview edits side by side. Edit photos to your heart's content with side-by-side previews in Photo Assist. Just press and hold an object to move, erase or enlarge it, and adjust angles or fill backgrounds. 18. 10. Ultra sleek. Ultra powerful. Expand your gameplay on Fold's biggest screen and the most advanced Snapdragon registered trademark symbol mobile processor, 1213. CPU. 38% faster processing. GPU. 26% smoother graphics. NPU. 41%. Quicker. 11. Unrivaled immersive display. Unlock next-level gaming with our most advanced processor and Fold's biggest screen yet. Enjoy a smoother, more immersive display with optimized Vulkan support and real-time ray tracing. 14. 12. Efficient battery powers all-day use. When you are out and about, it's important to be able to enjoy gaming, watching videos or multitasking without worrying about the battery. And with 4400 mAh and NDNI technology for maximum power efficiency without draining the battery life, that's exactly what you... 13. Personalized briefings with Now Brief. See how your day will unfold with Now Brief. Tailored insights, such as the latest weather and energy score, are all available at just a glance on the immersive main screen. 14. Simple summaries, smart organization. Now you can easily organize and store large summaries from websites with Galaxy L. Simply drag and drop into Notes app and save for later. 15. Tailored controls. Take control over your Galaxy A. You decide where it gets processed, either on device or in the cloud. 16. Your privacy, secured in the era of AI. Our personal data engine gathers and processes your personal data safely. Then it encrypts that data and saves it onto your device with Knox Vault, making it harder for anyone else to gain access. 17. Connected security. Knox Matrix Trust Chain technology provides security across Galaxy-connected devices so you can monitor the security of other devices right from your Galaxy smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 was launched on 9th July 2025. Here are the prices for different configurations in India. 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 1,74,999 rupees. 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage, 1,86,999 rupees. 16GB RAM plus 1TB storage, 2,16,999 rupees. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.